Welcome to the fascinating world of mushrooms, where nature's hidden network thrives beneath our feet, connecting plants and trees. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets of these incredible organisms and their vital role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. Mushrooms are the fruiting bodies of a much larger organism hidden from our view. They are just the tip of the iceberg. Beneath the surface, an intricate network known as the mycelium thrives, connecting plants and trees in a symbiotic relationship. Beneath the soil lies the true marvel, the mycelium. This hidden network is the lifeline of the forest, facilitating nutrient exchange and communication. A vast network of fine, thread-like filaments, the mycelium spreads through the earth, extracting nutrients and forming the foundation of this incredible kingdom. It is the unseen force that sustains the ecosystem. From the familiar button mushroom to the exotic varieties found in remote forests, mushrooms come in an astonishing array of shapes and sizes. The bioluminescent fungi, glowing eerily in the dark, showcase the diversity and wonder of the fungal kingdom. Each structure is a testament to the remarkable adaptability of fungi honed over millions of years of evolution. Their unique forms and functions are a result of their incredible evolutionary journey. Beneath the cap lies the hymenium, the spore factory of the mushroom, designed to maximize spore production and dispersal. This ingenious design ensures the survival and spread of the species across vast distances. Let's delve deeper into the realm of the mycelium. This hidden network acts as nature's internet, facilitating communication and resource exchange on a scale that we are only beginning to comprehend. The mycelium acts as a living bridge, connecting plants and trees across vast distances. Nutrients, water, and even chemical signals flow through this intricate network, allowing for communication and resource sharing. This web of mycelium actively breaks down organic matter, transforming dead plants and animals into nutrients. Without the mycelium, our world would be a very different place. The interconnectedness of nature is beautifully illustrated by the symbiotic relationships that fungi form with plants and trees. These relationships are not just fascinating, but are crucial for the ecosystem's balance and health. These partnerships, known as mycorrhizae, are essential for the health and survival of both organisms. The fungi help plants absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, while the plants provide the fungi with carbohydrates produced through photosynthesis. The fungal network acts as an extension of the plant's root system, vastly increasing its reach and access to water and nutrients. This network is often referred to as the wood wide web due to its extensive and interconnected nature. This mutually beneficial partnership allows plants to thrive in environments where they might otherwise struggle. In nutrient-poor soils, the presence of mycorrhizal fungi can make the difference between life and death for many plants. Trees in particular rely heavily on their mycorrhizal partners. These fungi not only help trees grow, but also protect them from pathogens and environmental stress. The vast network of mycelium connects trees across the forest, allowing them to share resources and even communicate with each other. This communication can include warning neighboring trees of pest attacks or other dangers, showcasing the incredible complexity and intelligence of nature. Decomposition is one of nature's most essential processes, and fungi are the maestro of this vital task. Fungi, with their arsenal of powerful enzymes, break down even the toughest organic materials, from fallen leaves and wood to animal carcasses. They transform these substances into simpler compounds, releasing nutrients back into the ecosystem. The intricate network of mycelium helps to bind soil particles together, improving its structure and water retention. Fungi are the unsung heroes of the ecosystem, working tirelessly to recycle nutrients and keep the circle of life turning. The world of fungi is filled with extraordinary and often bizarre species, each with its own unique adaptations and ecological roles. These organisms play crucial roles in ecosystems, breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients back into the soil. From the vibrant colors of the waxy caps to the intricate patterns of the turkey tail, the diversity of fungal forms is astounding. Each species has evolved to thrive in its specific environment, showcasing nature's ingenuity. Consider the bioluminescent fungi, illuminating the forest floor with their ethereal glow. These fungi produce light through a chemical reaction, a phenomenon that continues to intrigue scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. In the rainforests of Southeast Asia, we find the Rafflesia, the largest flower in the world, pollinated by flies attracted to its pungent odor of decaying flesh. This unique relationship highlights the intricate connections within ecosystems. Psychedelic mushrooms, long used by indigenous cultures for their mind-altering properties, highlight the complex relationship between humans and the fungal kingdom. These mushrooms have been used in rituals and healing practices, demonstrating the deep cultural significance of fungi. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the secret life of mushrooms. The world of fungi is full of surprises, with new species being discovered all the time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing nature stories.